Hello, and welcome to 7 Minutes English, where you learn easy English in just 7 minutes. I'm Alex.
And I'm Nina. Hello. Today, we are going to the airport.
The airport? I love airports, but airports can be a little scary in English. There are so many new words.
That's true. So today, we will learn 6 easy and useful words for the airport. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Simple English daily. Hey, come and learn a little every day.
But first, a fun question. Alex, how fast does an airplane fly?
Ooh, fast. Very fast.
Yes, but how fast? Is it A, 200 kilometers per hour, B, 900 kilometers per hour, or C, 2,000 kilometers per hour?
I think B. 900?
Maybe. We will tell you the answer at the end. Keep listening.
Okay, Nina. I am at the airport. What do I need first?
First, you need your passport. Passport.
Passport. A passport is a small book. It has your photo and your name. You need it to travel to another country.
Yes, never forget your passport. Say it with me. I have my passport.
I have my passport. Good. Now what?
Now you go to the check-in desk. Check-in.
Check-in. At the check-in desk, you show your passport. We say, I check in for my flight.
Right. And at check-in, you give them your luggage. Luggage.
Luggage. Your luggage is your bags, your big suitcase. We say, I have 2 bags of luggage.
Then they give you something very important. A boarding pass. Boarding pass.
Boarding pass. A boarding pass is a small ticket. It has your seat number. You need it to get on the plane. Say it with me. Here is my boarding pass.
Here is my boarding pass. Now, where do you go?
Now I go to the gate.
Gate. Gate. The gate is the place where you wait for your plane. Every gate has a number. For example, gate 22.
I wait at the gate. And then?
And then you board the plane. Board.
Board. To board means to get on the plane. We say, now we board the plane.
Perfect. And then you fly away. Have a good trip. Okay, let's practice. I will say a sentence. You say it after me. Ready?
Ready.
I have my passport. I check in at the check-in desk. Here is my boarding pass. Great job!
Now, the answer to our question. How fast does an airplane fly?
The answer is B, about 900 kilometers per hour. Very, very fast.
Wow! Faster than a car. Faster than a train.
Yes, that is why we can fly to other countries so quickly. Let's say our 6 airport words again.
Passport. The little book with your photo.
Check-in, where you show your passport and get your boarding pass.
Luggage. Your bags.
Boarding pass, your small ticket with your seat number.
Gate. The place where you wait for your plane.
And board, to get on the plane.
Great work today. Now you can speak English at the airport.
Practice every day. Just 7 minutes. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Simple English daily. Hey, learn a little every day. Watch and smile, come and stay.